Cool. So in the last video, I talked about why you need paid video ads and organic videos and why they work in tandem, right? But in this video, I'm going to talk about the difference between the two because although you need both, they both don't do the same thing. And so we're going to talk about the differences with both. And the first thing we're going to do is talk about the paid video ads and what specifically they are. And what we're going to talk about first is going to be the cons, right? The things that aren't so good. Now, the first thing is that paid ads only work as long as you're spending money, right? So if you're spending money, they work, right? And you have to be giving your money away, right? So in this case, it would be giving our money away to the Zucks, right? To Meta. The second thing that kind of sucks is that you have to turn it off, right? You have to turn it off, and excuse my spelling, you have to turn it off if it's doing too well, right? So if there's an ad that's really performing and giving you a ton of leads, you probably can't take that fulfillment, so you have to turn off the ads, right? So that's number two. Number three is search, right? No one is searching for whatever offer that you have, right? No one is searching typically for a personal injury attorney, right? They don't just go ahead and search for that. When you run paid ads, you're almost like forcing yourself onto people's attention, if that makes sense. So again, no one's searching for it, so it's really hard for you to get that attention because of the fact that most likely no one's searching for it because we're forcing their attention and their eyeballs to our business, right? The fourth thing is that it is super unpredictable, right? I can't spell, but that says unpredictable, right? So the thing with ads is that, sometimes you find an ad that hits and it's doing really well and great, but a lot of times that's not the case, right? Now, obviously there are formulas that we follow and there are things that we could do to mitigate that, but for the most part, they are unpredictable, right? There's no guarantee when it comes to marketing and advertising, right? So especially when it comes to paid ads, it's unpredictable. We have no idea. And then the one thing that really sucks, that's like a really big con, is that you pay for leads, right? No matter what. So even unqualified ones. So you end up paying for leads that are unqualified, right? That's just the nature of the game. So those are like the bad things, right? Those are the things that sucks about paid video ads. Now, there are pros, right? So these are the cons. Let's talk about the pros for video ads. The pro is instant, right? It's instant gratification, right? So like right when you create a video, make sure that it's a good video ad, then you get those leads, right? It's very instant gratification. The other great thing is that it helps you scale, right? Helps you scale as long as you're spending money, right? So if you have the money, right, then you could scale with ads, with video ads, 100%, right? So these are just two of the things that are great about video ads. Now let's go into organic content, right? Now let's talk about the pros. Whoops, excuse me. Let's talk about the pros, right, of organic content. Number one, obviously not to use Inception, but it's organic, right? And it's organic and it continues to grow and with your business, right? It continues to garner attention because organic video is something that you could use trendy things, you could use education, you could use entertainment. It's all organic, right? None of this is paid, and that's the beauty of organic because it's always when people hear about you, they jump onto your social media and then they find you, and that's where they can kind of like trust you. They can trust you based on your organic content. And the great thing about this too is that you don't have to turn it off, right? Why does it keep doing that? No need to turn it off, right? Again, with paid ads, sometimes when things are going really well, you have to turn it off. But with organic content, you don't have to do that. You don't have to turn it off because it scales with you, it grows with you. The other thing is that it's searchable, right? With paid ads, no one's searching for you, right? We're forcing our way into their eyeballs, right? Into their minds, right? But with organic video, as long as you're creating entertaining and informational, educational content, that content is searchable, right? So that's really good, really, really good. It's compounding, right? It's compounding because as you're creating more and more videos, now you have this entire collection of video content talking about whatever it is the heck that you do, right? So that's big, having that collection. And also, you don't pay, right? You don't pay money for each lead. So each lead that you get from organic content, you didn't have to pay for, right? But here's where we talk about the cons. Here are the cons of organic, right? The biggest con, obviously, is going to be time, right? You're going to spend a lot of time and money and not see any results. You're going to spend a lot of money and a lot of time and not see any results when it comes to organic content. That's just the nature of the game, right? And it takes time. Again, I'm going to put time in here. I'm going to put it twice. And the reason why is because, again, it takes so much time to create organic content. But the key is that, again, once you have so much of it, once you have a collection and it compounds and it's searchable, oh man, it's a game changer, right? But it takes time, it takes money. All right, so that's the difference between paid video ads and organic video content. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be coming out with some more content here this year when it comes to just creating videos and anything like that. So if you have any suggestions, let me know. And yeah, thanks for watching.